Hello, good morning all. Today in this video we are going to discuss regarding how to read data from a CSV file in Python. So what we will be doing is that we will have a CSV file containing some data. So if I open this file, so this is my file called patient.csv, where I have got the list of patient details like patient's name, reference, age and gender, and the file is patient.csv located in the folder called videos. So what I'm going to do is that I need to read the content of this file from a Python file or from Python code. So let's see how we can do that using CSV library. So here I have already written a Python file called read from csv.py, and if I open that file in Sublime Editor, this is the content of that file. So you can see I have just imported the CSV library. Make sure that you have installed this package in your machine. So just import CSV package, then with open. So as the document or the file is located inside the same folder where I have my Python is running, so I can just give with open my file name comma r, which is in read mode as CSV file. Then I have called CSV reader equal to CSV dot reader of the file name. Then I have iterated it over a for loop for row in CSV reader. Then we will be getting the result from the file. So let's see what we are getting on running this script. So what I'll do is that I'll go to here, I'll open my terminal and I'll trigger the script from the terminal. So Python read from csv.py. I'll click on enter, and you can see you're getting the result as follows, which is the content from this file. So if you look here to this file, can see odoomates hp 007 mail is coming, pineapple orange, and you can see both the contents in the terminal and the files is same. So if you go through the code, just import the package, import CSV with open, specify your file name. So either you can give the file name like this, or you can give full path like home slash, you can give the full path to that file. Then we are opening the file in read mode, that's why r as a CSV file, and CSV reader dot, you can follow this syntax, and you can see currently all the row is getting printed. Suppose if I need to get only the names from the sheet, I can just modify row of 0. So if you check the result, its type is list. So if I print the type of the result that we are getting, type of row, so let me trigger it again, and you can see the type is list. So to get the first value from the list, we can use of index, that is row of 0. So if I give row of 0, control s, I'll save the file and let me clear the terminal, and if I trigger it again, you can see only names are getting printed. So you can see in each iteration this is printing, but if I need to get it as a list, I can define a variable here, patient names equal to patient names. I'll define it as a dictionary, and in each iteration I will append it to a list, patient names dot append row of 0. I'll do like this, and I'll move the print statement outside the for loop. I'll put it here, and I'll print like patient names are, I'll give like this, control s, and let's see what we get now. So you can see patient names are this list. So here you can see first line of the column is also coming, but in most case we don't need to get this header where we specify what does that column represent. So in this case you can see name is also coming, but we have to exclude that name. So in order to exclude that, you can activate this next of CSV reader, which will skip the first line. And if I trigger it again, you can see name is missing from here. That is, first column will be skipped. Now it is coming as a list, but we may have to get as a string. So we can convert easily a list to a comma separated string. For that, we can give dot join. This is a Python, and give like this. So let me run this and see. You can see patient names are odoomates, pineapple, orange, grapes, dragon, papaya, apple shell, odoo, lemon test, etc. So this is how you can read data from CSV file in Python. So I hope you got how to read the data, and we will be adding this code sample inside our GitHub repository. So in case if you need, you can get it from there. And if you like the video, please do click the like button and support us by sharing the video with your friends and colleagues. So that's it for the day. Have a nice day. Thank you.